So what's up mga kaballers, gusto ko palang i-share sa inyo na nakabili na ako ng motor sa pamamagitan ng pagtuturo ko ng basketball at content creation. Actually, hindi ko na sana ipopost to. I want to keep this private. At then, nakita ko sa social media, maraming nadidepress, maraming nagpapakamatay. Meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo na a win is a win. Kahit malaki man yan or maliit. Pansin ko kasi, we are depressed sa mga nakikita natin sa social media. At sa mga influencers dahil mga big wins yung nakikita natin sa kanila. That's why as a small creator, I decided na i-post tong small wins na to. Iba, marahil maliit lang to, but that's the purpose. Still a win. Kahit malaki or maliit man yan. Dati, naglalakad ka lang, tas nagbabike ka, tas nagkamotor ka, tas nagkasasakyan ka. My point is, we need to appreciate our wins. Malaki man yan o maliit. Minsan kasi, kakatingin natin sa naipanalo ng iba na malalaki, tend to not appreciate our small wins. I suggest to all of you, don't look sa other people. Ano mo, yung dating anong meron ka, tapos compare mo siya ngayon. O, diba? Mas malayo ka na kaysa dati. Madalas kasi, nararush natin yung process. Gusto natin maagad makamit yung ganito, ganyan. Kasi si ganito, may ganyan na ako, wala pa gantong edad. That's why we are being depressed and stressed. Dahil nga sa kakatingin natin sa ibang tao, sa na-achieve nila, hindi natin namamalayan, we are putting pressure on ourselves. And then sometimes we are questioning ourselves, now what did I do wrong? The thing is, you don't did wrong. You're just being pressured by the things that you are seeing. But then when you look back to the things that you have, and then you look at yourself right now, you started to realize that you achieve more. So ayun yung purpose ng vlog na to, is to remind all of you that a win is a win, whether it's small or big. A reminder that don't compare your wins to other people's wins, kasi doon nanggagaling yung stress natin. And minsan na yun yung reason kung ba't tayo nade-depress at nagkakaroon ng anxiety. So yun lang naman mga kaballers, no? I hope na meron kayo natutunan sa video na to, hindi para magmalaki kundi para i-remind kayo